Hi, Ellen Gormley here, and I just want to give you a quick tutorial on weaving in the ends of your Valentine simple shawl. So the shawl is actually still in process, but it occurred to me that I wanted to show you how to weave in ends because little motifs make lots of little ends. And even though it's just one color, there's still at least one end for every square. So the beginning end, this is the back side, the beginning end I just crocheted over it. So here it's tucked under some stitches, so you don't have to weave in that end. But then the one when you cut and finish off the motif, it leaves a little end. And so let me show you how to weave that in. Also, there are, this pattern is free, a free download, and I'll put the link in the description below. And there's several other videos, both right and left-handed, on how to make this shawl and this motif and how to put them together. So just go search those, and I'll try to link them all in the description below. But let's just do a quick thing on weaving in the end. So I'm going to flip it over. This is the right side of the work, and I'm going to flip over to the back side of the work. And with a bent tip tapestry needle, you don't have to use a bent tip, you could use a straight one as well. I just like this one better. You can, with a tail this short, what I like to do is weave the needle into the work first. So wherever there is solid or several stitches together is a good place to weave in an end. So here's the cut tail. I'm going to take my tapestry needle, weave it an inch and a half or so one direction like this, and then I'll take the cut end of the yarn, put it through the eye of the needle, and then pull that end through. Then if I want a more secure connection, I can then take my yarn needle and weave it the opposite direction, skipping one stitch so that it loops around. Feed the cut end through the eye of the needle and pull it tight, and it virtually disappears. So now if you tug and pull on it, you know, it might pop a little bit. Also, when you wash this, your shawl, you might have to check on the ends again, but in general, they should stay put, especially if you weave it a little bit one direction and a little bit back the other direction so that it grabs onto itself. And that is the tutorial for how to weave in an end on the Valentine's free pattern, the Simple Shawl. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye.